Joel, are we doing, what's next? Character development. Are we going to develop?
Hi, Joey.
Oh, hi. Hi.
How are you?
We should pinch this.
No, not paying attention. Hi, boys and girls. I'm Jewel.
Hi,
This is
Joey.
Hi, Joey. So today we are going to talk about character development. I can't even say that, such a long word. Character development. That's what we're going to talk about. Remember our workbook for creative writing? We are working on character development. What did we do last time? Paying attention?
Yeah, we put the map together. Mind map. Title, topic, question. We go what, we win when, we win how, we win why, we win how. We did all of that and we answered those questions.
We did.
Yeah, and now it's time to move on to see what those characters do.
Totes, dude.
Toads.
All right.
Isn't she just...
I've just learned the name. Totes.
No.
I'm lit.
Yeah, like, yeah, okay. So,
Move on. Okay, so let's talk about the character development. And so we decided last time that we would have 3 characters. I can't remember.
2, we were going to get rid of the other 2, we had 4.
Oh,
so
we did.
We decided.
Okay, well let's just first work on 2.
Yeah, let's just work on 2.
We'll work on
yeah,
2 first.
Yeah, it's easier.
So remember, in your story, you've got to decide how many characters there'll be. And once you've decided how many characters there will be, what we're going to do is we need to talk about all the things the teacher left on the list.
Yeah, isn't
She was busy.
Our
She was
teacher is lit.
She is, isn't she? I love my new words. Lit, totes, on fleek. I know these things.
I'm
right?
so toads over our teacher.
Okay, so right, what do we start with when we do this character development? What do we need first? Appearance. I want to know what you look like.
Absolutely.
What happened to pink hair?
Well, you know, Mommy,
How did you become an angel?
Mommy said I need to go for the halo look.
Okay.
Because I'm an angel.
You are an angel. Excellent. So, boys and girls, we need to start with the characters in our story. Remember, we went back and part of our plot that we wrote down, and we were talking about the how and the where and the why and all of those things, and we decided the when was going to be a year ago. So we're starting off with initially, what did our characters look like? Angel. Not sure how we got to the pink hair, but angel. Right, so we're working with the angel that we have here. So here's the angel. What am I? Remember, I am the protagonist. I'm the hero in the story.
This was your look before the explosion.
This is, yes.
Yeah, this was my look before the explosion.
But if you're the antagonist and you're an angel, you're a bad angel.
So
Okay.
it is about appearance.
It is about appearance. Okay, let's get back to focus. Focus. Character development. Okay, so we need to talk about the appearance.
Yes. So in other words, what they look like. So you're going to describe. Okay. Listen, and when we describe, Joe, when we describe, there are these important words. Oh, teacher's going to be on our case about this. Adjectives, 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 adjectives. Describe. So that's what we need to do. We've got to describe. So it's black hair, it's colorful, it's green eyes, it's blue eyes, it's about putting that descriptive word in front of the.
So it goes about the appearance. So let's talk about our appearance. So if you go to the page where it actually describes your character, you will see we've left you little blocks, and in the little blocks it says like and dislike, features that stand out, lessons that they learn.
Yeah, what they look like, their strengths and their weaknesses, the challenges that they overcame. And I like that because you know what? If you just complete those 6 blocks, then you are on your way with your character. You are on your way. So well done to the
Growsmarters team.
Oh, the team. I thought it was you.
Growsmarters team.
Oh, the team.
They're the clever ones.
Well done on the team for designing that. I mean, if you use that could put you on. And I mean, I'm not a writer, but if I use that, I can tell you now. What does he look like? Well,
his bald.
That's a good start.
No hair.
Good start.
Help me. Hold on.
Well, Bill.
It's my turn now.
Oh.
It's my turn. It's not your turn.
Oh, sorry.
My daughter says that all the time. It's not your turn, Mom.
She's lit.
All right. So help me with that. If we had to describe Joey, he is the character that we have in the beginning of the story, and this is what Joey looks like. Please, can you help me describe Joey? Joey has no hair.
Tall, dark, and handsome.
Dark and handsome. Right. So Joey is tall. We talk about the height. So that's the first thing you normally look at when you see someone. You recognize, are they tall? Are they short? Are they medium height? And what is the build like? That's immediately what you see. Are they athletic looking? Are they skinny? Are they a nice full figure? Or what do they have? Because it's important that we describe our characters. And you know, we all look different. We all look different.
Different is good.
Different is
Different
good.
is good.
And
I'm totes over different.
all right, so let's talk about that. So let's get back to describing Joey. So Joey doesn't have any hair. Remember, not everybody has hair. My hair is long and dark. Joey's got no hair. Joey's got fluffy eyebrows. Yes, so we want to talk about our character. Joey, what color are your eyes?
Dark brown / black.
Dark brown eyes. Joey's got dark brown eyes. Joey, what is this thing?
I don't know. It's a
Goatee.
it's a goatee.
A goatee.
Hey,
I think a goatee.
A goatee. We'll go with goatee today.
Okay. Right. So today our character's got a bit of facial hair. He's got a beard.
Yeah.
So you can either have a beard, depending on what your character looks like. Remember, this is our character development.
Yeah.
What does your character look like in your story? So these are things that are important.
And it's also important to think about what your character is still going to be doing, because you may want to bring that into the appearance of the character. So, in other words, he doesn't laugh a lot, or he looks angry and stern. So you kind of, by adding that, are already saying to the reader, okay, this is not a happy person. So maybe this person is actually going to be the person who's going to be the problem later.
Really? That's you? You said you're the antagonist. That's not me. I'm the hero. I'm the protagonist. Do we remember how to spell that word? Protagonist. I want you to take a moment, because you know you can press pause. Hold on. Let's just pause. Pause. Play. Excellent. So, protagonist and antagonist. Go and look up the word. Use the dictionary. Go and find the definition and try and use the words in a sentence. Right. That was literacy. We're back to story writing.
Oh, wait.
Yes, character development.
Oh, okay, yes. Listen, so what is your character like and dislike? I think that's also important, that especially in our Pink City story, we're going to have to get to the Pink City. We can't forget about the Pink City.
Yes.
We're developing characters, but we cannot forget the topic. Because somehow you can always develop the character to add to the topic.
I see. And so Joey, tell me, in the story, what are your likes and your dislikes?
So, what am I again? The hero, right?
No.
Just checking! Alright, so likes and dislikes. So, as the antagonist, I'd like to be the one who's actually going to create the whole bomb thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
So I've got a bit of a, I don't like hairdressers.
You don't like hairdressers.
Nope. Mm-mm.
You don't like hair dye.
I don't like hair at all.
You don't like hair.
You know, so I don't like hair. I don't like hairdressers, and my mom spent too much time there. She spends 8 hours of her day there. Alone, and then where am I sitting at home alone with nothing to eat? I mean, I'm just saying, in fact, this is what's coming through, because that is why the city will become pink.
I see.
Because
Okay.
I'm not liking what's going on here.
So those were your likes and your dislikes. So let's talk about the character's strengths and weaknesses.
Yeah. So, Miss Hero, what's your strength?
What are my strengths? I'm a people person.
Yeah, because you're going to be saving the city.
I'm going to be saving the city.
Yeah.
I really like to make sure that everyone is okay, that everyone is safe, and that we can carry on, and that we pick up the pieces and we move.
Yeah, and I'm probably not going to like you either. I'm just saying, that's the way the character's going to be. No, because I'm all about destruction. You know, don't you like that? Well, just.
Protagonist, antagonist.
Okay. And but my weakness
Yes.
is that I obviously, once I've blown things up, I don't know how to fix them.
That's where I come in.
Yeah.
Protagonist. Exactly. So, all right. So we're talking. I just used a word that doesn't even exist. We've spoken about strengths and weaknesses. And so our next one that teachers left on the,
Yes,
on the
yeah,
note
teach-
there.
I don't know.
Number 4, features of the character. Features of the character. What would those be? Can you help us out?
Teacher! Teacher!
Teacher, can you help
I
us
don't know
out?
what feature. Oh, which teacher?
You've described them
Oh.
all. You've described them all.
Oh,
We're done.
that's that. Oh,
Should always
Right.
be interesting, the features. It's
Features
what
must be-
makes the
yes.
character.
There you
There
go.
we
What
go.
makes the character?
Yeah.
So we've covered that already. Let's look at point number 5. Challenges that they have to overcome.
I know my challenge is that my mom sits there for 8 hours. I don't eat at home or sit outside in the car waiting for her to get her hair all. So I'm going to make a plan on how I can just stop this from happening.
All right. Okay, so we've spoken about the challenges that Joey's character has to overcome. And then we're going to talk about the lessons
Yeah.
learned.
Yeah, oh, no, is that why you're looking at me?
Right. We're definitely going to talk about the lessons that Joey's learned afterwards. All right. So we have to be creative
Yeah.
and colorful and vivid. And we need to use, she wrote it all over the page. Adjectives.
Adjectives.
Descriptive language. Oh, did you see? She pointed. Descriptive language. I feel like we're in trouble.
But I can just tell you, I love reading. And if I find a lot of adjectives, I stay focused.
That's so true.
If you're not describing, like, no, listen, I'm not interested. I want to know. So tell me about how this character feels, what's going on inside. I want those adjectives. Describe, boys and girls, describe. The whole part of creative writing lies in the adjectives.
The adjectives. So we need to use all of those adjectives. So we look forward to seeing how it is that you use this character development. So I'm going to recap. Remember, we use the mind map. We first use the mind map to get
Yes.
the idea of what the story
With our
is.
6 questions.
With our 6 questions.
Yes.
And then from the mind map, we move to the character development.
With our 6 features.
With our 6
Features,
features.
just on top of
actually,
things.
I really like that there were 6 points.
Yes.
6 points to do the plot and the mind map. That's just how we started. And there again are 6 points to remember for the character development. So easy number, all you have got to remember is
Yeah.
6. 5 fingers, 1 extra, 6 fingers. Exactly. So 6 points for character development and 6 points of just actually getting your plot together. And already your story is coming together. And so remember, it's got to link. They are not separate. The mind map is not separate from the character development because it's all
part of-
one story.
It's all one story.
All one story.
All one story.
So by the time we write the story, we're going to go back to the mind map and the character
Now,
development.
that's the crux of the matter. You gotta go back, get the information, and then write.
And then write the story. So I'm looking forward to seeing what your story looks like.
Protagonist,
Protagonist, antagonist, protagonist, antagonist.
protagonist.